Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another update. This is the 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. In an earlier video, we had just pulled this car out of the paint booth, and it was an overcast day. We're trying to show you the color. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get a better look with the color now. I've just got a little flashlight here that's supposed to simulate daylight. But having this special pearl with a metallic in it and these kind of cheap fluorescent lights, I don't think it's going to show up too much. But we've accomplished quite a bit. The guys installed the hood and the headlights and the doors and the rear glass. So basically, they've got a lot of adjustments. So you can see on the front here, we've got the new Corvette logo for the front for 1982. So we've got those are a new old GM part. And then we've got our marker lights installed in the front bumper covers. And then we also have some pinstriping done. And you can see we've got the Crossfire injection logos. These are brand new GM logos that we were able to find. And we have them installed. We'll be doing a little bit more buffing and polishing work. You'll notice with this pinstriping, so it's something that we did here for the client. In 1982, they had a special edition. It was a silver gray color and it had some striping. The biggest thing that it had is this rear glass. So it has this, instead of being solid, so virtually all the Corvettes in this style, with the exception of the 82 special edition, had a solid rear glass. And what we've done is the client, over the few years he's had the car, he was able to obtain all the parts to convert this into a pop-up rear glass or a hatch style. So it has a different weather strip. We've got the glass, we have the shocks and a release cable. So what I can do is I'll share with you, because there's a little knob on the inside behind the driver's seat, and you basically pull the cable, it releases the two latches, and then it raises up this rear glass. So as far as I can tell, I'm not a Corvette expert, but I believe it was just the 1 year, 1982, that it was available. So the client really liked this idea of having this pop-up rear hatch. It gives them access to the rear. And so we've got the new rubber strip, very, very difficult and tricky to adjust everything to fit properly so we don't have any water leaks on the inside. And you can see we have the new rubber grommet here. We'll still have to install the fuel door, and there's some other items we're going to install in the car. But that's kind of a neat feature. So going along the lines of the 82 special edition, having this, our client wanted to break up some of this, of the paint color. And this is kind of a tribute to the way they did the striping in 82 on the special edition with this rear glass. So that's why we have the pinstriping going around the front nose into the fenders. And then you can see here, starting at the door, driver's door, and then coming down the quarter panel. GM ended it here at the extension, where some people like to follow the line all the way to the end. This is the way they did it in 82. And then the other thing they did was in the rear spoiler. Some people will just stop it here, but in the 82 special edition, it went straight down to this line and stop. So hopefully that shows up in the camera. And I just wish that the pearl paint would show up better. It's quite dusty in here now, so I'm not sure if that's going to show up or not, or just be a terrible glare. But the paint finish, it's a very deep pearl paint with a lot of metallic in it. And we haven't done our finer polishing on it yet, but I think if we just come along here, we'll just try a few little spots. So I think what we're going to have to do, probably here on the roof might work, I'm hoping, or it's just going to be too much glare. So folks, I apologize. We'll have to figure out how to get some better lighting to share with you, because this is an incredibly deep paint finish and a lot of metallic in it. And from a distance or in a shadow, it just looks like a normal red or burgundy color. So what we're going to do next is we're going to finish up. He would like to have a little bit of a pinstripe on the hood to feature the front hood a little bit more. We have the chrome wheels. They're a high polished mag wheel that he's going to be dropping off for us. So we're going to install those wheels. We're going to do the final polishing on the car. And then after we do the final polishing, we've also been doing a ceramic coating or paint finish protector That's a ceramic type of coating. So there's some different shops out there doing it. So once we have all of the wet sanding and polishing done, we're going to completely seal all this beautiful paint finish with a ceramic coating. So once again, this is the 1982 Chevrolet Corvette, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.